guys, so we are so excited because last video my husband made us a fireplace, did the nice radiator covers, and we got our furniture. You guys saw that from last video. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. And we have been sleeping or staying in the other room right now. Tell them.
We've been over there like watching movies together instead of being over here like we used to.
Yeah. We've been hanging out more in the formal living room, and Mama don't like that. I want everybody back in the family room. So we are going to be putting out our couches. We're going to set it up together, right? Yeah. Greg's at work, but you know, when he's not here,
we
got this. We got this, right?
Girl power.
Tell them, Jamie, you got this.
We got power.
This is my man part right here. This one, and where's Justin? Let me see your man muscles, Justin. Show me your man muscles, baby. Show me your man muscles. Here, and get it for me. So anyways, we're going to be building our furniture and surprise Greg when he gets home. But first things first, we gotta sweep and mop and get this floor ready. Right, Grace? Are you gonna help? All right, let's get to work. All right, now the floors are already clean, so it's time to start opening up the boxes and start getting them done. When I looked on this website, they had a whole pregnant person doing it, and I think she did it in like 10, 15 minutes, right, Diana?
I think.
Yeah, so let's see how long it's gonna take us with 5 of us.
And they're really heavy, so we gotta be very careful.
We're gonna put the carpet that we had down in this room that we had previously, we're gonna put it down. I'm not sure if we're gonna keep it, but for protection of my floors, I'm gonna put a carpet down. Okay, so hold on. So we are gonna put a timer to see how long it takes us to build this couch. It is 5:33. Let's see how long it takes us to build this couch. Okay, ready? This hook right here will go into that section right there on that couch.
Guys, this couch is ridiculously large.
Hello. I like it.
Nice.
Guys, this is nice. I mean, look at my son. He's a pretty good size. You even lay down with Justin just to show them how big the couch is. Go ahead. Look at how big this couch is, guys. So, I mean, it's not ridiculous. I mean, I love it. I love it. But for our room, and here's the thing, we still have one more piece to go. All right, guys, Greg is coming back home. We have a hot mess in here. Javen has become the best builder of this couch. He's getting it done, right, Javen? Yep. He's doing the last one. But I'm dying laughing, and I think we all are, because I think I ordered way too much. Look at this. It's literally going all the way to This is a 9 by 12 rug. If that tells you anything. All right, guys, we finally figured it out, right?
Yep.
Javen, putting this together was a lot less time. It's configuring it to find out exactly how it fits in your house, correct, Javen? So we had the placement a little bit wrong, and now we've used one of the back pieces here to put on this side right here, along this side, for it to look like it's a long bed. And then we have an ottoman on this side. So it actually looks pretty dope. And another thing, Greg didn't even know that we were building this.
Yeah, he literally they were in a call and literally what he said is, "Oh, we'll build it probably today or tomorrow."
Yeah. So he doesn't know that we're actually building it. So once he comes, I'm going to record his reaction. You guys ready? Are you ready? Look it, guys. My family fits. My family fits. We're missing Grace and Greg. But this is a...
You.
What do you guys think? Do you think this is a good size couch for our family? Yeah. I love the color. I mean, I don't think you guys can get the color the way that it is in front of our faces, but it looks so beautiful. He's coming in the door.
I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
Do you like it? Do you like it?
It looks really good. It looks really nice.
It's
I'm shocked. I'm the best family in the world.
Greg, look at Becky.
Yeah. All right, boo boo. All right.
Do you like it, honey?
Looks awesome. That looks
Do you like it?
looks really good.
Oh, Greg.
It was...
Wow.
It was Greg. No,
You
Greg,
guys-
before it reached from there.
We accidentally lined them up all, like, really bad. And then we realized, wait a minute, this is not the way it goes. And then we fixed it.
Yeah.
To all the way,
That looks
basically where Luna is. It was
looks
super
really
long.
nice. It looks really
So
good.
movie night tonight?
Yeah.
Movie night tonight, Greg?
Yes.
This is only 7 by 6. This is too small, but this is actually really nice.
Okay. What do you think about that one?
I don't know if I really... Oh, babe, look
That's a nice color. I like the colors on that though.
my parking back. Someone returned it.
What? Oh my god. Is that the rug that we just had?
This is dope. This is dope, babe.
Is that an 8 by 11?
Oh, this is too small.
Okay. So we're trying to see what we can find at Home Sense. And look, she's running. She's excited because she's shopping.
So we found nothing. Absolutely nothing.
We did. I found my pilon. Guys, I'm probably the only Latina that does not own a pilon, and I have been cutting my vegetables, my garlic. You know when you mash up the garlic? I do it with a knife. But now I don't have to do that anymore because I got my pilon.
All right, so we got something to cook with. All right, that's it. No rug, no lamps, no nothing.
No, we did time out. We went to Home Sense, and then we're going back to Home Goods because we did find, I remember the face thing that I could put a plant in.
I don't remember seeing that, but
The face thing they said you would fix for me that is on clearance, that has a nose broken.
Oh, that's right. Yes.
Not nose
They're
broken,
holding
but
that for us.
Yeah.
Okay, so we found one thing.
No,
One thing.
we also found washcloths for your mom
Okay, great.
and a board for Ayana for when she sells her salad.
Okay.
And I got my tea from Dunkin' Donuts.
Time to go home.
You guys can tell I do not come out that
It's
often.
time to go home. I'm gonna take my wife home. Last but not least, we have to remove this air conditioner. This is an eyesore. We decorated this room, but we did not want to keep this old looking unit here. I mean, who would want that on the wall, right? Let's remove it. What? Oh my God, look at this here, huh? Who the heck did this?
Guys.
Who did this? They insulated this with
With the
socks.
socks.
Yeah. What? Come on, bro.
You can't make this stuff up.
And paper napkins.
And
Oh, hey, look at this.
Look at socks.
They put paper towels.
Socks and paper towels.
Oh boy. I hope y'all find other surprises, because you know how it goes. When you find one surprise, there's another one behind it.
So guys, I have good news. After much searching, my husband and I finally found the area rug that we're gonna be putting in here in this family room to just finish it off and be done with this room. If you've been following us on Instagram, then you know that I did a poll and there was 2 separate rugs that I was really interested in getting. Unfortunately, because of the size of this room, we need a 9x14 area rug, and that means that the rugs are gonna cost a lot more than your average size rugs. So I waited to get it because I couldn't see myself spending that much money. I'm glad I did, because I went online on Facebook Marketplace, my favorite spot, and I actually found the carpet that 92% of the people voted for this carpet, and I love this carpet. And I got it on Facebook Marketplace for $275.
Yes. Yes.
Mind you guys, this carpet was like $600 something, which some people might not be a lot, but to me it's just too much.
It is a lot.
So we saved ourselves a little over $300, and we're gonna be putting that carpet in here. It's a brand new area rug. It didn't fit in her place. The area rug was too big in her house. So now, you know, it's ours.
It's ours.
You see, it's just meant to be. You see what happens when you wait? When you
right.
wait, it pays off.
Pray, wait, and receive.
So now I'm gonna hire someone to put the rug in.
Uh-oh, yes, that's me.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
up.
you.
I'm up.
It's your turn, Greg.
All right.
Get to work. So here she is. I love it. With the green from the walls. Don't mind the floor over there, guys. We have to sweep. But babe, what do you think?
I like it. I like it.
So it has the blacks, the golds, has some yellow in there. It definitely has rust color. Green is, I think, the main color in this.
Yeah.
It's actually really beautiful, guys.
It grabs a lot of the colors in the room.
Right?
Yeah, it does.
All in one area. And it's gonna be perfect because we have the dogs and the kids.
Yeah.
So, right, honey?
It looks washable, and
It's soft.
yeah, it's really comfortable. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job, huh? Good job.